here from OG Creations. My buddy Jonathan and I are both kids of the 80s, and sometimes our conversations take us back to He-Man, Garbage Pail Kids, Pogo Balls. I mean, that list goes on and on. In our most recent trip down memory lane, we started talking about our love for Hypercolor t-shirts. And of course, I ran right home and found a dye that said it would give me the same result. So, let's try a new dye. In this two-part video, I'm experimenting with Hue Chromic color-changing fabric dye from Solar Color Dust. The color I'm using is dark blue to pink. Solar Color Dust will be linked below. The instructions start by stressing not to pre-soak your fabric. Then you mix one 8-ounce bottle of dye with 6 cups of hot water. Place your garments in one at a time and let them fully absorb the dye. This apron is 100% cotton canvas fabric. Using gloves, you wring out the garment, returning all the excess solution back into the pot to use for your next garment. You let the product air dry completely and away from the sun. Once it's dry, you wash it in cold water on delicate cycle. And in a video that is gone forever due to my fried computer's hard drive, the end result was less than exciting. The dark blue was more faded periwinkle, and the pink was more corpse-like. Instead of calling it a loss, I thought, let's layer this bitch. Using the crumple technique, I layer soda ash and then Dharma Trading's dry dye powders in colors of Plum and Hydrangea. Next, I'll put some ice on it, sprinkle with more soda ash, and let it set for 24 hours. I rinse the apron under cold water and then run it through a cold wash cycle and then a hot wash cycle using mild detergent. Do I wish I had not bought multiple shades of the Hue Chromic dye? Yep. But I love the colors layered throughout, and it's been the inspiration for multiple upcoming item drops. I post new content every Friday, so make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section what you would like to see created next.